Okay, let's create a gradient mesh for realistic shading in Illustrator. First, draw a shape like this, or any shape you want. Make sure the stroke is set to none. Then select the mesh tool, or just press the letter U. Click on your shape to create anchor points. Now, select the direct selection tool, and click on an anchor point to recolor it. Go to Fill, and change the color. You can choose any color you want. I'm going to pick this purple. Select another anchor point, and for this one, I'm using yellow. For the next one, I'm choosing pink. And for the last point, I'm using orange. Do the same thing for the external points too. Press and hold Shift to select multiple anchor points. And this is what happens. Now click on an internal anchor point, and drag it like this, to create this cool special effect. Do the same for the other points too. But don't push them too far, because it can create some weird errors. If the lines look bad, don't worry. You can fix it easily. Click on any anchor point. Move the handles that appear. And rearrange it. Now it looks even better. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe.